Introduce the video in the product. Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting review for you as we delve into the Neutrogena Mineral Shears Lightweight Loose Powder Makeup Foundation. Benefits of Neutrogena Mineral Shears Powder Foundation. Highlight the key benefits of the product. This Neutrogena Mineral Shears Powder Foundation is truly a game changer for those with sensitive skin. Let's explore why it's considered the best in the market. Emphasize its suitability for sensitive skin. One of the standout features is its gentle formula, making it perfect for sensitive skin types. It won't irritate or clog your pores, allowing your skin to breathe. Talk about the natural ingredients. This foundation is enriched with naturally derived minerals, and it's fortified with vitamins A, C, and E. These ingredients work together to promote skin health and give you that natural, flawless finish. Discuss the coverage options. Whether you prefer sheer or medium coverage, this powder foundation has you covered. It's buildable, so you can achieve your desired look without feeling heavy. Explain how it enhances skin tone. Neutrogena Mineral Shears not only provides coverage, but also enhances your skin's clarity, tone, and texture. Say goodbye to imperfections. Highlight its redness-reducing properties. If you struggle with redness, this foundation works wonders in reducing its appearance, leaving you with a more even complexion. Talk about its lightweight feel. You'll love how lightweight and breathable this powder feels on your skin. It won't weigh you down, even during long wear. Provide tips on how to apply the product effectively. Now, let's discuss how to apply this foundation for the best results. It's crucial to achieve that flawless finish. Summarize the key points. In conclusion, Neutrogena Mineral Shears Lightweight Loose Powder Makeup Foundation is indeed the best choice for those with sensitive skin. Its natural ingredients, buildable coverage, and skin-enhancing properties make it a standout product. Encourage viewers to try it. If you're looking for a foundation that offers both skincare benefits and a flawless look, don't hesitate to give this one a try. Your skin will thank you. Thank viewers for watching. Thank you for joining us on this Neutrogena Mineral Shears journey today. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on the best beauty products in the market. Stay beautiful, and we'll see you next time.